Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are celebrating Feast of Saint Charbel in the Latin calendar of the Roman Catholic Church. I've come up with a sweet dish made out of poha or flattened rice. So let's see how this dish is to be made. For those who are watching new the first time, welcome aboard, and for those who are with me, thank you very much. And for those who are new, I encourage you to like, share and subscribe this channel as I'm providing a lot of contents, and please do like me and follow me along. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. So dear viewers, to make this sweet poha, we need to, first of all, we need to wash this poha and also soak it. Poha means is flattened rice which is dried, and we need to dehydrate it, but before that we need to wash it and then let it dehydrate it. Dear viewers, the poha has been washed and let it dehydrate now for at least about 10-15 minutes, and meanwhile we will do the next step. And dear viewers, now we will add the jaggery, and we will also add the sugar, and we will add the water and a pinch of salt, and we will let this sugar melt, and then after that we will add the next ingredient. And dear viewers, now the syrup is already been getting melted, so we have to strain this. I have a strainer over here and I'm going to strain it over here, as you can see. As we have strained, now we will add back the strained syrup and let it come to a boil. As the sugar syrup is boiling, now we will add about 2 teaspoons of ghee, and also the coconut, and also the cardamon powder, and also the camphor. We have to crush it, and I usually use my fingers to crush. With this, we will give it a quick stir. And now we will add the hydrated poha. The hydrated poha is here. All we need to do is just add them and give it a quick stir. And we will wait until the poha absorb all the syrup. And our poha is ready in a couple of minutes. And dear viewers, now it's the garnishing part. We will add a little bit of coconut as it stands out the color, and also we will add the rose petals. And dear viewers, we have come to our conclusion of our video, and today is Feast of Saint Charbel, who is a great miracle worker, and a lot of prayers have been answered, including mine myself. I have a intercession and devotion before, and I still hold them, and I have asked many things from Saint Charbel, and he did pray for me, and most of my prayers are answered. And he's from Lebanon, and he's a silent saint, but he works great miracles. So thank you very much for watching for this video and this simple and quick and easy poha sweet recipe. And it is always a delight for me to do something. So, and also I wish everyone a Feast of Saint Charbel today, and may Saint Charbel intercede for us. And so those who are new, welcome aboard. For those who are with me, thank you very much. And with that, I end my video. I do not know what am I going to cook, but I will come up with something else. Thank you very much, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.